This video I'll show you how to fix this weird error in League of Legends where it's stuck in the tutorial or patching screen. Okay, so what you do basically is just wait for the process to finish. You'll be able to spot if it's downloading some patch when you go ahead over to your taskbar right here, right click on a blank space, now click on Task Manager, and when you go ahead over to Performance, okay, and click on Ethernet, you will see that receive right here bumps up. Okay, you'll be able to see 50 or more, 100 depending on your bandwidth. Okay, well that's just basically means that it's currently downloading some patch. Okay, so just wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, you're good to go. Okay, so if it's not running right here, like you don't receive something from the internet and you know that you're not downloading anything, well, you can just go ahead and close League of Legends client right here and restart your computer. And after that, check your task manager again if it runs. And once done, if it runs, just wait for the process to finish. And now you can go ahead and click on start. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.